Hi there, just thought I'd share with you my latest little tool here, which I call a cap jewel cleaning tool. I was inspired to make this tool looking at the 101 watchmaker course on this site called learnwatchmaking.com, hosted by Danish watchmaker Christian Lass. Christian Lass, I believe. He pronounces that because it's Danish. I'm Scandinavian, I'm Swedish, so I hope I got that right. Anyway, the idea is that what you do here, you create a small cavity at the end of this little piece of pegwood, like that, and then I'll show it to you better later. Then you place your cap jewel on a piece of watch tissue paper. It should be absolutely clean, of course. Flat side down, and then you place this tool, the cavity of this tool, on the rounded part of the cap jewel, and then you simply move it around on the watch tissue paper, and that will clean the flat surface of the cap jewel really well. The way I made this tool was simply to take a 4mm in diameter piece of pegwood, and I took a drill bit which is 2mm in diameter. Well, you get the idea. Simply make a cavity with that one here. And once that's done, I took my scalpel, and let me zoom out a bit again, and then just shaped this one to become to a smaller diameter, you know. Right, and finally I used one of my diamond stones to make this really smooth and nice so that it will look pretty as well. Not really necessary, but anyway, it's always nice when the tools look nice. So that's how I made this one. My cap jewel cleaning tool. So next I'll show you how I use it. All right, so let's clean a cap jewel. So I begin by taping down a piece of tissue paper, which really looks like that. I got this package on cousinsuk.com. It's 1,000 sheets, and it lasts for a very long time. So, and of course, make sure you get a clean paper that is free of any fingerprints or dirt or debris of any kind. Okay, and place it on your flat surface like that, and then I tape it down to make it steady. Okay, so time to take out the cap jewel. I have a small cap jewel here. I think it's 1 millimeter or so in diameter. And oh, I forgot my tweezers that I have them here. This cap jewel is already clean, but anyway, just for demonstration purposes. And I need magnification, of course. And I don't use an eye loupe, I always use magnifying glasses. I find stereo vision to be superior, really. Okay, so what you do then, of course, is you take the rounded part upwards, and this one is already, here's the flat side. I realize you can't see that. And there is the rounded side up now. Okay, so what I do then, I simply take my cap jewel cleaning tool, And I place the cavity of that one on top of a jewel, and I move it around like this. And you can really feel if the cavity is too deep, then you feel the wood and will be very. You will feel that. But if the jewel is moving around on the paper, it will feel very smooth, even though it's dirty. So just go about a bit like that. And then when you're done, just lift it up and your jewel should be perfectly clean. And that, of course, now let's see. And the reflection, it looks really fantastic. Okay, anyway, I should let you know that I tried this on a piece of printing paper. And I wouldn't recommend printing paper because it actually created some very small scratches. So it would seem that printing paper is actually a bit like sandpaper. I suppose it could be okay if you're very gentle, but why not use watchmaker tissue paper? I think that's a lot better, a much better option. Okay, let's try that again, just for the fun of it. Yeah, very smooth. And if you feel that the pegwood reaches down to the paper, you need to shave off a bit to make the jewel, only the jewel get in touch with the paper. Okay, so that's it. Hope you enjoy that. And as they all say on YouTube, thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my fantastic videos. Well, I hope you enjoyed the tip anyway. Okay, see you. Bye.